Here I've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro, and let me show you how to activate reading mode on the following device. So you've got to start with opening the settings, then find and pick display, and here you will notice reading mode. So simply tap on it, and if you want to make the colors of your display warmer, allowing your eyes to relax, simply tap on this switcher, and that's it. As you can see now, reading mode is active. You can personalize it by tapping on this scale, so you can pick some warmer or cooler colors, so it's all up to you. You can obviously switch it off the same way simply by tapping on this icon. You can also schedule reading mode, so simply click on schedule, and now select the custom time, or you can select one from the automatic settings, but I will pick custom period and simply select the hours on which it should be active. So it's up to you between which hours reading mode will be active. You can obviously switch it off whenever you want to, and also you can switch off the schedule. You can also activate reading mode through the upper bar. Simply slide it down, locate reading mode icon, here it is, click on it, and that's it. As you can see now, the display is changed and you can use your device in reading mode, and then if you'd like to go back to the normal one, simply slide the upper bar one more time and tap on reading mode. So that's all. This is how you can activate, use and deactivate reading mode in Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.